going to start off by prepping my face with primer, which will give my foundation smooth application. I am using the Fenty Beauty Primer. Then I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and draw an outline of the big skull eye around my eyes. With my MAC 190 brush, I'm going to take the whitest foundation I own and apply it all over my face except in the black outline I just drew earlier. I am using the NYX Drop Foundation in Alabaster. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend everything out. I'm going to set my foundation with the Makeup Forever translucent powder. Next, I'm going to prep both my eyes inside the outline of the black pencil I drew earlier. With my MAC 219 brush, I'm going to take a black matte shadow and blend the black pencil. From the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to take this light shimmery blue eyeshadow and apply it inside the black skull eyes except the lid. From the same palette, I'm going to take the dark shimmery blue eyeshadow and apply it on the lid. On my lower lash line, I'm going to take a black shadow and blend it out. Then I'm going to blend the blue eyeshadows together. I'm going to reapply the black liner and apply it on my waterline. Also reapply the black shadow on the black pencil when the blue shadow got on it. Next, I'm going to line my upper lash line with the Fenty Beauty Eyeliner in Cousin Black and create a wing. Then I'm going to take a black liquid liner and draw small petals around the skull eyes. I'm going to take blue face paint and paint the inside of the petals. The next step is using blue rhinestones and placing them over the blue paint. My rhinestones are adhesive, but you can use lash glue to glue them on. I did the other eye off camera. Next, I'm going to take a black liquid liner and draw the nose, then fill it in. I'm going to take a black matte shadow and set the liner. Then I'm going to take the liner and draw lines from both corners of my mouth to my ears. You can create any designs on your cheeks. Afterwards, I'm going to draw the teeth on my mouth. I will draw a couple vertical lines, then some on the line I drew from the corners of my mouth to my ears. Next, I'm going to draw an outline of a flower, then apply some eye primer inside the line. I'm going to take the same light and dark blue shadow from the BH Cosmetics palette and blend it out. Next, I'm going to draw a cross with a spider web connected to it. Afterwards, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I love using the Benefit Bad Gal Lash Mascara. Then I'm going to apply false lashes off camera. So that completes my sugar skull look. Please click the subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified by email, click the bell. Have a safe and wonderful Halloween. Thanks for watching!